This is on the Oster Pro 1200 Plus. We bought this back in June of this year, 2016. This is in reference to the original cutter agitator blade that you see there. Notice the vertical play in the shaft. Shouldn't even be there. That O-ring or packing or seal ring should be in that area somewhere. As you can see, it's split. That is the replacement head. Note that there is no vertical play in it. Back to the original, you can see that vertical play in there. That seal goes right in there. What we're going to do for you, we're going to make two smoothies. One with the original, right there being demonstrated, the vertical play. So we're making 2 kale banana smoothies with some yogurt and ice. Again, checking that vertical play. And assembling the unit. Power on, hit pulse, and then go to smoothie mode. This is fast forwarded to shorten the time. As you can see, there's some fluid there, greenish. That is the smoothie coming through the shaft. That shouldn't be there. It's there. Use a paper towel. There you can see it a lot better. It could be worse than that. Okay, now we're going to the new cutter agitator blade set. You can see it's no vertical play. And again, we're going to assemble this to make the second smoothie. Same combination, kale, banana, ice, and yogurt. Again, recheck, no play. Of course, pulse, and then go to smoothie mode. And it's fast forward, save time. No leak. That's the way it should be.